Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Mememe token. You could pronounce it Mememe or Mememe or Mememe, however you want to pronounce it. I don't care, but it is a definite meme token, and it just got listed here on CoinMarketCap and is getting a brand new central exchange listing as of tomorrow. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt, and always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, looks like most of their information is on their Twitter. They also have a Discord you can get involved with if you want to ask questions and join the community and things like that. But they do not, as of this moment, have a web page. They don't have a legit web page. They don't have a white paper. So it's very hard to find all the information on this token. So that's what this video is about. We're going to try to go through what we can. And so far, this token has 3,945 holders, so they're off to a great start. 18 decimal places on this token. They have a total supply of, let's see here, 69,420 tokens. So ticker symbol is MEME, 3 me's in a row, and that is also the name of the token. So again, it doesn't actually sound out how it's pronounced. I would assume it's Mememe or Mememe, and not Me. But yeah, it's actually down 8.43% today. But tomorrow, it will be getting a brand new central exchange listing. It says April 21st, 7 o'clock UTC time. This token will be listed on Mexc Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do is just go right through that Mexc referral code down there, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, search MEME, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. It says, we are, for the community, a strong community, Mememe. Okay, so it's pronounced Meme. I got it now. I got it. It says that they split it up on this post here. So now it says Meme. That's how it's pronounced. We are Meme for the community, a strong one. Meme makes memes and has me time. All right, that's all it says on Mexc Global. So again, very memed out, this token. Not a lot of info on it. So that's all the info on Mexc Global. 7 o'clock UTC time, April 21st, in the assessment trading zone. You can find this token. Now, if you want to find their Twitter, it is at Mememe and then 69696969. You can find that on Mexc Global's Twitter at Mexc _global. If you want to find the information on that. Now, on their Twitter, this is the token distribution. So there is some info that you could find on their Twitter. They have 6,199 tweets. So they could have over 6,000 tweets, but they don't have time to make a web page. I mean, come on, me here. You should have a small white paper or something. So 80% of the tokens go into the liquidity pool. 6% goes to the team. It says 1% each for 6 members. 8% to initial LP providers. 4% to airdrop to the people that chat with me, it says. 1% Maybe that's on Discord. 1% to all eyes on Mememe holders. So I would assume that is NFTs. And 1% to Mememe, the future, I don't know. So it says, please remember to degen responsibly. Me has zero control over what's done to the markets. Once it's out there, it's out there. Have fun. I hold 1% myself. That's all. All the rest goes to the distribution. So that's what that's what the dev posted here, or one of the team members posted on the Twitter here. Now, it says, this is their pinned tweet. It says, it was once all a meme, the Rickroll plus the free engagement of everything. There was to be no token launch. But here we go with Mememe for the community, a strong one. And then this is a transparency thread, it says here. So let's check out the transparency thread. So they have the official contract. So all this, if you look at their pinned tweet, that's going to have all the info. So they have the contract. They have the deck screener link you could check out. Then they have the allocation that I just went over. And then it says meme me to the moon, of course. And yeah, so that's basically all the info on that you would need to know, according to them anyways. On CoinMarketCap, you can find this token newly listed with their price chart, contract address, Twitter, Discord, Block Explorer. It says their market cap here. Well, they don't have a market cap listed on here. And then it says fully diluted market cap is $4,827,000. 24-hour trading volume is $33,421,000. Token is actually down 18.79% today, so it's not doing very well. It operates on the Ethereum platform, it says. So you can get this token off of Uniswap. So before it goes live on Mexc Global, looks like it may be live now because it has it listed here on Coin Market Cap, but it says listing time is tomorrow. But I would just check it out if you want to anyways. Like I said, link is in the description box for Mexc Global. This token you can get before it gets listed on Mexc Global, or you can get it, anytime off of Uniswap by funding your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet with Ethereum, going into the dApps, finding Uniswap, and then trading your Ethereum for the Mememe token using the contract address that you could find on CoinMarketCap, or you could find it on their Twitter in the pinned tweet there. They also have a contract here for the liquidity pool being locked. Now, I'm not sure if there's taxes, so if you do buy or sell it on Uniswap, I'm not sure if you have to set slippage or anything like that. If anybody knows what the slippage is, they can always leave a comment down there in the description box, or in the comment section, sorry, and let people know what the slippage is. If not, you can easily just get this token off Mexc Global. Check out that Mexc Global referral code down there in the description box if you don't have an account. Now, it seems like this token has like no utility. It's just very much a meme token for the community. Probably has some NFTs somewhere, like in their 6,000 tweets. But yeah, that seems to be about it. And airdrops. They said there's a lot of airdrops. So that's it. That's basically the only utility. And yeah, you can find it on Mexc. You can find it on CoinMarketCap now. Make sure you guys like this video. Subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. Like this video, subscribe, and leave a comment down there. Thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.